In this video, we're going to show you how to install the drum brake dust cap on your Ford Focus located on the rear brake drum. Now we're going to use our 19mm socket to loosen and remove the lug nuts. Going to remove the wheel and set it aside. Now with the wheel removed, we want to go ahead and remove the center dust cap here. Our choice is just use a flathead screwdriver and kind of come around the edge. And you want to try and tap this off. Now in most cases, these just pop off. But if for any reason, if you do dimple the cap itself, you can use the ball peen side of your hammer and just kind of tap that out and round that out. Go ahead and set that aside. I'm going to install the dust cap. Once you get the cap popped on there, I like to use a chisel, something with not a sharp edge on it, but something that has an edge, and just kind of work your way around until you get it started nice and evenly. And then go ahead and tap that in. Go ahead and take your wheel, line it up on the wheel studs, and we'll get the lug nut started. It's always best to start all of the lug nuts by hand and then tighten them down. That way that we don't cross thread the lug nuts. Now when snugging these down, you want to do this in a crisscross pattern. Now let's get and torque down our lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.